The value of this portfolio continues to decline in line with the overall market. This serves as a reminder not to begin by investing large amounts. I'm actually pleased that we are facing a challenging situation now, because in the opposite scenario, many of you might rush into investing and risk your hard-earned money without getting accustomed to the volatility on smaller investments. If you are new to investing, it's wise to start with smaller amounts. I am frequently asked about taking out loans. First and foremost, you should avoid taking out a loan when you're just starting and aren't sure about your risk tolerance. It's better to wait until you have a systematic approach and a deeper understanding. In the course, I provide an example of a loss, but your goal should be to minimize loan costs while maximizing your monthly earnings. The idea was to illustrate that short-term losses are not the end of the world. You can see there was a slight growth in the dividend amount. The significant difference between this month and the previous one is because Main and Gain distribute additional dividends every quarter. Therefore, whenever an opportunity arises to buy more of these stocks, I will take it to increase my overall annual passive income. Now, let's examine the dividends we received this month. You can observe an increase in free stocks, partly due to the companies raising their dividend amounts and partly because of my increased monthly investments. In my growth calculation, I use the August value because the extra dividends from Main and Gain are quarterly and do not factor into the monthly calculation. I'll exclude their bonuses to show that the monthly value remained the same as the previous month. Please note that HRZN's dividend has remained unchanged despite my additional stock purchases in August. I have noticed that in the paper account, dividends are received on the ex-dividend date, not on the actual payment date as in live accounts. This explains why we don't see any change in the dividend. Now let's analyze the charts and identify investment opportunities. You can see that most of the stocks are currently trading lower, offering several opportunities. However, I'm particularly interested in Main and Gain because they pay extra dividends every quarter. Gain is currently touching the top Bollinger Band, indicating a potential decrease this month. On the other hand, Main appears to be in a good position as it touches the lower Bollinger Band with a lower SI, and I can even purchase stocks at a better price than my initial purchase price. It appears to be an ideal opportunity, so I have decided to buy more Main stocks. Lastly, if you haven't done so yet, kindly take a moment to review this course and let me and others know why you think this course is amazing. Your feedback and perspective are invaluable in helping me continue to improve and provide the best learning experience possible.